As people age, keeping muscles strong becomes more challenging. After about 60, the body's muscles often respond less effectively to protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance, a natural change that makes muscle repair and growth slower than before. Because of this, even when older adults eat foods like eggs, chicken, or protein supplements, their muscles may not respond as efficiently. This is why many seniors notice reduced strength, slower recovery, or gradual muscle loss despite maintaining a healthy diet. Researchers suggest that certain nutrient-rich seeds may help support muscle health. These seeds provide important amino acids, minerals, healthy fats, and plant compounds that may assist the body in using protein more effectively. Including them in a balanced diet alongside regular protein. Sources can help support muscle maintenance as we age. Here are a few seeds known for their strong nutritional benefits. Number 5. Quinoa. Although many people think quinoa is a grain, it is actually a seed. One of its biggest advantages is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete plant protein. This matters because aging muscles often require balanced amino acids to activate muscle repair processes. Quinoa also provides magnesium, which supports muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and energy production. Cooking quinoa thoroughly and pairing it with other protein foods, such as eggs or yogurt, can create a balanced meal that supports overall nutrition. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in protein, but their mineral content is especially important. They provide significant amounts of iron, zinc, and magnesium, 2 nutrients involved in muscle function, recovery, and hormone balance. Zinc contributes to normal testosterone production, while magnesium helps muscles relax and recover after activity. Lightly roasting or soaking pumpkin seeds may make them easier to digest. Ground seeds can also improve nutrient absorption. Number 3. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds contain highly digestible proteins known as edestin and albumin, along with all essential amino acids. For older adults whose digestion may be slower than before, easily digestible protein sources can be helpful. They also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which may support a healthy inflammatory balance in the body. Lower inflammation can create a better environment for muscle maintenance over time. Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds offer a different advantage. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like texture that slows digestion. This slower digestion may help release nutrients more steadily throughout the day, which can support stable energy and nutrient availability between meals. They also contain fiber, calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids that contribute to overall health. Number 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are known for their high levels of lignans and omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds have been studied for their role in supporting metabolic balance and reducing inflammation. Because whole flax seeds often pass through the digestive system intact, they are usually best consumed ground. Adding ground flax to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies is a simple way to include it in daily meals. Maintaining muscle strength. With age is not just about appearance. It is about independence, mobility, and quality of life. A balanced diet, regular movement, and adequate protein intake all work together to support healthy aging. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications.